Good morning, everyone. That's right, it's me again. And this is going to be some ribs. I don't know if these are called babies or whatever the case may be, boys and girls. I'm just letting you know I'm going to have me some ribs, and I want them to sing. I want them to sing in the pot, boys and girls. I actually ordered some ribs from the Chinese market a few days ago. Now, of course, you know my hands are clean, but I wanted to show you what I was pulling off of this rib. Um, so that's why I started the video, because I was about to bubble up this pot on my own. I was about to bubble up this pot on my own. So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get one off of here, but I'm gonna try. There's really not much I can get off of this one, so I guess I really can say it's not there. So I'm gonna turn around now, and I'm gonna season up my ribs. You know what? I'm gonna do something that I hate to do. I hate to do. Let's get it. Uh-oh. I was treated to some paper towel about a year ago. I don't want to use paper towel in my kitchen. I like to use my wash and reuse. So uh, I'm gonna get some more cloths for my meat. I'm gonna put some of my favorite on there. And I like my food with a little spice, so I use more herbs than I do anything else, especially the salt. But you know what I notice about my food? Somebody has to get the salt shaker and put some salt on. I'm like, what's going on over there, boy? You know what I mean? I just don't want a lot of salt in my pot. I've noticed that. Oh, look at the cute little hole there. Oh, okay. Well, it has a little one and a big one, so I'm gonna use the big one. Oh my goodness. Right. Woo. Yeah. I'm nursing my hands, so please don't mind me. I know I didn't sneeze all over my face and spit all in the neighborhood and all that other stuff. So, and I'm only saying that just in case somebody's a health issue and they have, I just want to be mindful that you understand. Not saying that you do, my love. Thank you. Good morning, Tina. Good morning, Coral. I don't know too many other names. Look at the seasoning on both sides of that. Just look at that. Mm, mm, look at that. Just look at that. Now this here is a honey barbecue sauce that I fell in love with from the Dollar Tree. Oh boy, it's a hit. It's a hit. You're probably wondering why I changed my gloves, right? Okay. I wanted to open up the bottle without the bottle being messy. And I just cleaned out my refrigerator handles and stuff, so those little things people don't really realize, but your handle to your refrigerator and your freezer has a lot of traffic to it. So I wanted to open up my thing, but my hand is killing me. My hand is killing me. Now this side is not really needed because it's going to be topped off on the other side, but I'm not going to miss a chance to get to my edges. Boys and girls, can you see that magic beginning? Yes, I can. I want to get me some of those rubber brushes and all that other stuff, but right now I'm working on paying off two bills, and one of them is under 800. They both under 800, put it that way. So right now I gotta focus on that. But I'm gonna get a little bit of things from my kitchen. Now I'm gonna put this here like that. And I'm gonna put this for 8 hours. Put that on low. $6 p.m. my dinner will be ready. So I just leave myself this little note next to my air fryer. My thing, and I'm good. I'm gonna make some rice, some corn, and it's gonna be a three side wonder today. But I may not make it because I'm not really one to eat sides and things like that. So I may make it, but you know what I'm saying, right? Okay, well, thank you so much for watching my video, and you shall see me later. I have got to say something very important. Thank you for my subscribers, but I have 91 subscribers, and my videos are not even getting 91 views. So if you are subscribed and you're busy, I understand. If not, please stop in. Take a few minutes to see the video. If you don't have time to watch the whole video, scroll it to the middle, because that might be where the cookie is, in the middle. But either way, you're going to see me This right here. Thank you so much for watching my video and have a wonderful day. God bless everybody.